In this lecture, we're going to discuss about compare table. In Einstein analytic, you may be required to calculate things like if you want to calculate the rank or you want to calculate the percentage change over a period of time. All those things you can do it using clicks by making use of compare table feature. In our example today, we are going to look at the live data which is provided at data.gov.sg. Over here, we have picked up the data set which tells us the total male and female resident over a period of time. We have downloaded this data, and once it has been downloaded, it was uploaded to Einstein Analytic as a data set. Now let's go back and now explore this data. And while exploring, we are going to answer certain questions which will be related to ranking as well as percentage change. So very first step would be to look at the data. We are going to filter the data to show only the records where resident type is total male and total female. And instead of count, we'll say show us the sum of population because we are interested in finding population, and this will be grouped by resident type. So this graph tells me that we have 44 million female as compared to 41 million male in Singapore. Now I'll add one more bar to it by year. It tells me the count of or the population of male and female across the years. And then we are going to add one more bar by name age group. And now let's look into all this thing as part of the compare table. We're going to change the visualization from chart now to table mode. We're going to select compare table. Now what if someone comes and ask you, can you let me know within this group year which age group has got the maximum population? So we need to rank within the year. To do that, we are going to first clone the column. Once we have cloned it, we are going to do edit this column, and we will say ranking within year. Let's copy paste over here. And over here we have got various functions that we can use. So we are going to use a function by name rank within group. We want to, over here we have sum of population, function is rank, and we want to rank it within the year. We'll say apply. Now you would have seen what it tells me is that within the year 2000, 35 to 39 have got maximum number of population. That's why the rank is 1. If I look at some other year, 2003, over here 40 to 44 has got maximum number of population. Now take for example, let me say apply. Now the next part would be once it has been applied. Now the next part would be that someone may come and ask you, how about another calculation, which could be the running total if you want to find out running total, or if I just go back to my presentation, we have done running total and group percentage. If we want to find out the running total, so let's go back and do that. Say continue. If I want to find out running total at year, reset group would be year. I'll say apply. Let me change the heading also. Column alias would be running total. This would be running total. Say apply. So now I have got running total, which is summing up the values as such. 108, 113, the value is what, 222. Then it is again summing up these. And I've got a running total of all my rows within this particular group. The next one could be the percentage change. So if I just add one more column and I'll say percentage of group, say yes. Now over here, if someone wants to come and say that what is the percentage value of a particular age group within the year one. So I'm going to reset it at the group level and I'll just make it percentage contribution, say apply. So if I look at it, it tells me that 35 to 39 years, rank is 1 and it is contributing 8.35 percentage of the total population for year 2000 for females. Okay. If I want to reset it at resident type, I can go back and do that also. So this will give me a smaller number as such. We can also look at the formula which is being created. If we want to go and edit the formula, we can do that too. So this is what I wanted to explain you, that anytime we want to do calculations in analytic, we'll make use of compare table. In this lecture, we have seen how to do ranking, percentage change, and also running total. Thank you.